Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how we can show data which is in the numeric format, how we can show that in a percentage of row total. So in the earlier examples we learned grand total and then other part. Now in this video we will learn percentage of row total. Now let's create a pivot first. So go to insert pivot table. It will select all the data, then go to a new sheet and create a pivot for us. We will do what? We will take a total as an value and order it as an detailed in a row. It will automatically make a group on that. I just take the year into the column for better readability and expand all these quarters. Expand entire field. So we have this data with us. In case in your system if subtotals are not coming, what you can do, you can take a benefit by clicking at design. You can go to the subtotal. You have an option to show and do not show the subtotal. So we can show at the bottom and top, anything you can choose from here. Now what we are going to do, we have a grand total in the row and column. I just right click onto the any of the number and then we have a choice to show value as. By default it is no calculation. What we can do, we can say percentage of row total. So you can see I click on the percentage of row total. Now row total will come as an 100% and the contribution of all the January month in the 5 years 2011 to 2015 will be there. Then 100% contribution, and these are the contribution from the different years. So you can see the contribution, you can analyze the data. So that is what for the video. Hope you like this. Keep watching, keep learning.